Have you ever needed to promote an upcoming Cancer Awareness Month or topic, but didn't have the time or staff to create all of the communications materials? That's exactly why the GW Cancer Center created the Cancer Awareness Toolkits. These free toolkits are designed for comprehensive cancer control programs and coalitions for you to use with your audience, which could include the general public, cancer survivors and caregivers, tribal organizations, and healthcare professionals, to name a few. Programs can share the entire toolkit as a resource and also use all of its components. The goal is simple: save you time while helping you build your organization's communications capacity with ready-to-use, evidence-based materials. There are 14 toolkits covering various cancer topics and are updated with new data, graphics, and messaging every 3 years. Let's take a quick tour. To easily access any part of the toolkit, use the navigation pane on the right-hand side of the page to jump down to the section you need. At the top of each toolkit, you'll find an overview of the awareness month or topic. Each toolkit includes data and information that can be added directly to your organization's communications, with references throughout so you know where the information came from. These informative sections help reinforce the evidence-based messages you can share on social media. These toolkits also share best practices for communicating with various audiences. The primary audience of the messages in the kits are for a general public, and then there are also messages directed towards healthcare professionals. In the more recently updated toolkits, there's a section with data and guidance on how to tailor communication to different people based on specific life circumstances, health risks, and preferences for messaging. In the resource section, we've included links to additional information from trusted organizations so you can continue learning or provide more information to your audience. Keep scrolling to the main section of the toolkit, and you'll find our professionally written social media messages with downloadable graphics. There are suggested messages and images for various audiences. You can choose to download images or simply keep scrolling down to click to download all of the images in a zip file. In this section, you can also download all of the messages as a CSV file, which can be uploaded to platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social to schedule multiple messages at one time. You will find Canva template links for those with Canva Pro or business accounts, so you can use Canva to further customize these images. Because our toolkits are first and foremost evidence-based, the last item in the toolkit is the reference section, so you can see where this information came from. The GW Cancer Awareness Toolkits help you spend less time researching, writing, and designing. Think of these toolkits as an extension of your communications team. We've done the work so you can focus on reaching your community with accurate, engaging, and impactful cancer messages.